So hello guys, welcome to Get to Know YouTube channel. My name is Sushobon Ghosh. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to retrieve the archive email in Gmail. So let's get started. In the computer, open your Gmail account and suppose this mail accidentally goes to archive. Now I want to return back. So on the left hand side, scroll down it until you get the more option. Okay, now click it and check all mail. Click the all mail option and there it's the mail. Click on it and move to inbox. Click this option, move to inbox. Now you check is successfully returned where it was, and now I have given you the mobile version. Look at this. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, please click the notification bell, please click the subscribe button. Thank you.